Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi. Now today I am giving you important question of English chapter 10 NCERT book. Important question for board exam student because exam is near सामने आ रहा है तो सभी बच्चों को important question चाहिए होगा. So I am giving you important question today. Okay. Question answer, discussion of question answer, NCERT book, English, footprints. Chapter 2 question answer, the thief story. Yes. Who is the writer of this lesson? Writer of this lesson is Ruskin Bond. Where did the thief meet Arun for the first time? The thief met Arun for the first time in a wrestling match. Okay. What does the thief say about his hand at thieving? The thief say a successful hand. Okay, now I am giving you the important question of next chapter. This is Midnight Visitor. I think the thief's story important question I have given. So I am giving you chapter 3 Midnight Visitor important question. Okay, see the important question. How is Ozable different from other secret agent? Ozable, a secret agent, is different from other secret agent because any description did not fit Ozable. कोई भी description उसको fit नहीं करता था. Ozable was very fat and had no thrilling appearance of a secret agent. वो बहुत मोटा था, उसके पास कोई भी thrilling appearance नहीं था अपना एक एजेंट होने का. ऑजेबल वॉज वेरी फैट एंड हैड नो थ्रिलिंग अपीयरेंस ऑफ अ सीक्रेट एजेंट. नाउ क्वेश्चन 2 इज हु इज़ फाउलर एंड व्हाट इज़ हिज फर्स्ट ऑथेंटिक थ्रिल ऑफ द डे. हु इज़ फाउलर एंड व्हाट इज़ हिज फर्स्ट ऑथेंटिक थ्रिल ऑफ द डे. फाउलर वॉज अ यंग मैन. Fowler was a young man. Okay, Fowler was a young man and a romantic writer. When Ozable and Fowler reached Ozable's room, they found a man standing there with an automatic pistol in his hand. Fowler called it the first authentic thrill of the day. फाउलर एक बहुत ही यंग मैन था और एक बहुत ही रोमांटिक राइटर था. व्हेन ऑजेबल एंड फाउलर रिच्ड ऑजेबल्स रूम, जब ऑजेबल और फाउलर दोनों ऑजेबल्स के रूम में पहुंचते हैं, दे राउंड अ मैन स्टैंडिंग देयर विथ एन ऑटोमेटिक पिस्टल इन हिज हैंड. वहाँ पर एक आदमी पहले से खड़ा था, उसका हाथ में पिस्टल था. फाउलर कॉल्ड इट द फर्स्ट ऑथेंटिक थ्रिल ऑफ द डे. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ हैज़ मैक्स गॉट इन. Max, answer is Max enters in through the main door with the help of passkey. Max enters in through the main door with the help of passkey. How does Ozable say he got in? How does Ozable say he got in? Ozable said, answer is Ozable said that he come in through the विंडो. ऑजेबल बोलता है कि वो विंडो के थ्रू आता है. ऑजेबल से दैट ही कम इन थ्रू द विंडो. नाउ क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ऑजेबल डिड नॉट फिट एनी डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ अ सीक्रेट एजेंट फाउलर हैव एवर रेड. व्हाट डू सीक्रेट एजेंट इन बुक एंड फिल्म्स लुक लाइक इन योर ओपिनियन. एंड द आंसर इज फाउलर द यंग and romantic writer got disillusioned and disappointed when he failed to find something unusual. Fowler, the young and romantic writer, got disillusioned and disappointed. उसको disappoint हो जाता है, वो बहुत उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है. when he failed to find something unusual, जब वो उसको कुछ मिलता नहीं है तो उसको बहुत बुरा लगता है, अपने आप को बहुत disappoint feel करता है. Ozable did not fit the description of a secret agent. Ozable was fat, very fat. He spoke French, German, possibly, and Fowler had imagined to see a mysterious figure. Fowler देखने में कैसा, उसका लगता था जैसे mysterious figure है उसका, एकदम रहस्यमय. Mysterious means रहस्यमय. The setting in which Fowler met Ozable also disappointed him. The setting in which Fowler met Ozable also disappointed him. उसको वो भी disappoint करता था. In books and films, the secret agent are some mysterious character. They are the member of CBI or CID. Interpol, an international organization, had one of the best detectives. We would find them mostly to be very active and smart, unlike Ozible. Sherlock Holmes, one of the best detectives in fiction, leaves the readers shocked. ये बहुत ही बेस्ट डिटेक्टिव था जो रीडर्स लोग को शॉक कर दिए. How does Ozible manage to make Max believe that there is balcony attached to his room? Look back at his detailed description and what makes it a convincing story. Now answer is Ozible was a clever secret agent. वो बहुत ही क्लेवर था, चालाक था. When he entered his room, he found another person from other organization in his room. Ozible did not lose his calm. He made up a false story. He said that was the second time someone had entered in his room through a balcony under the window. Max took the story to be true. वो एक फेक स्टोरी बना के बताता है कि ये he said that it was the second time someone had entered his room through the balcony under the window. Max took the story to be true. Max बोलता है कि नहीं, ये सब फेक स्टोरी नहीं है, ये एक राइट स्टोरी है. It becomes a convincing story due to the simplicity and ease with which Ozible behave. उसको लगने लगता है कि वो एक रियल स्टोरी बता रहा है, जैसे वो बिहेव करता है, सिंप्लिसिटी में बात करता है. He does not even पैनिक ऑन फाइंडिंग पिस्टल इन हैंड ऑफ मैक्स. वो पैनिक भी नहीं होता है जब देखता है कि उसके हैंड में पिस्टल है, तो वो पैनिक नहीं होता है. इफ़ Ozible हैड एक्टेड स्मार्टली, मैक्स वुड नॉट हैव बिलीव्ड हिम. द स्टोरी माइट हैव टर्न इनटू अ डिफरेंट वन. उसके बाद स्टोरी एक डिफरेंट टर्न ले लेता है. कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लुकिंग बैक एट द स्टोरी, व्हेन डू यू थिंक Ozible थॉट अप हिज प्लान फॉर गेटिंग रिड ऑफ मैक्स? उसको कैसे मैक्स से अपने आप को छुड़ाना चाहता है. Ozible didn't have the slightest idea that there would be someone in his room. When he entered the room, he blinked his eyes a few minutes. अपना आइज़ को ऐसे ब्लिंक करता है, ब्लिंक मतलब पलक झपकाना. He got a shock to find Max in his room. मैक्स को अपने रूम में देख के उसे बहुत शॉकिंग लगता है. Ozible was not handsome, attractive, smart. Ozible बहुत ही हैंडसम, एट्रैक्टिव और स्मार्ट नहीं है. बट बीइंग अ गुड स्पाई ही डिड नॉट पैनिक. लेकिन एक अच्छा स्पाई रहने के वजह से वो पैनिक नहीं होता है. विथ हिज इंटेलिजेंस एंड प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड ही वॉज एबल टू फाइंड द सोल्यूशन. उसका प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड बहुत अच्छा रहता है, वो किसी भी चीज़ का बहुत जल्दी सोल्यूशन निकाल लेता है. कि ही कलेक्टेड द फैक्ट्स एंड प्लान वेरी फास्ट. वो फैक्ट को कलेक्ट करता है, वो बहुत जल्दी प्लान करता है किसी भी चीज़ को. ही कन्विंस मैक्स दैट देयर वाज अ बैल्कनी आउटसाइड द विंडो. ही ऑल्सो टोल्ड दैट देयर वाज पुलिस नॉकिंग एट द डोर, दो ही न्यू दैट इट वाज द वेटर नॉकिंग. उसको लगता है कि कोई वेटर नॉक कर रहा है, जबकि वहाँ पे पुलिस रहता है. He gave Max no time to think. He did not use strength but mind to overcome the danger. But to overcome the danger. Danger से कैसे हमको बचना है, वो चीज़ उसको बहुत अच्छे से पता रहता है. So it is true to say that nothing was planned. It was by taking the advantage of the situation things were work out. ये प्री प्लान नहीं था, वो जैसा जैसा सिचुएशन हो रहा था उस अनुसार वो बिहेव कर रहा था. I am giving you next question. These are very important questions. Learn all the question answer and be prepared for your exam and अच्छे मार्क्स लाइए एग्ज़ाम में. ओके. Who is the writer of this lesson? Robert Arthur. Who is Ozible? A secret agent. Who is Fowler? A writer. How has Max got in? Max come in by opening the door with a pass key. Which one of the following is true? Writer wants to kill Ozible. Now second question is Ozible did not look like a secret agent. Why? Because he was very fat. Ozible was very fat. Next question is what is Fowler's first authentic thrill of the day? Fowler's first authentic thrill of the day when he saw a man with a pistol in his head in Ozible's room. Fowler's first authentic thrill of the day when he saw a man with a pistol in his head in Ozible's room. जब उसको बहुत शॉकिंग लगता है जब अपने रूम में एक आदमी को देखता है, वो भी पिस्टल के साथ. Why was Fowler disappointed and disillusioned? Why had he come to Ozable? वो क्यों डिसअपॉइंट हुआ, वो क्यों ऑजेबल के पास आया? This is very important question. Fowler was a young and romantic writer. He wished to see a secret agent. He had imagined that the spies received secret messages and were surrounded by beautiful women, but he was sadly disappointed to see a very fat and careless Ozable living in a small room on the top floor of a cheap hotel. वो एक सस्ता होटल में टॉप फ्लोर में रहता था. What was Fowler's first authentic thrill of the day? An Ozable switched on the light of his room. Fowler saw a man with a pointed waiting in the room. This was the first authentic thrill of the day for him. Ozable switched on the light of his room. अपना रूम का लाइट जलाता है. Fowler saw a man with a pointed waiting in the room. This was the first authentic thrill of the day for him. Now the next question is, when and why did Max's face turn black with anger? क्यों मैक्स का फेस है सो ब्लैक हो गया और बहुत गुस्सा हो गया वो. मैक्सेस फेस टर्न ब्लैक विथ एंगर एज ही बैक स्विफ्टली टुवर्ड्स द विंडो. Knocking the repeated on the unlocked door. Ozable said that the police was there and they would shoot Max on sight. Max had not expected such a sudden turn of events. He was terribly angry with Ozable. इसीलिए वो Ozable से गुस्सा हो जाता है. He screamed once shrilly. Who does he refer to? What happened to him? यहाँ कौन है who और वो उसके साथ क्या होता है. He refers to Max. The fellow had a fall from the 6th floor of the hotel to the ground below, and he was misled into believing that there was a balcony below the window. In order to escape from the police at the door, Max leaped out of the window and died with just one scream. भागने के चक्कर में उसका मौत हो जाता है. Who knocked at Ozable's door? Why did he do so? Ozable had ordered for the drink to be brought to his room. It was the waiter who had brought the drink. As per courtesy and custom, he had knocked at the door to get permission to enter the room. Okay, bye everyone. I will give you next question and next question answer in next video. Okay, bye. Share it among your all friends. Bye.